Welcome to Blackjack Special.
So guys, come back to the channel. There's a little quick update. I'm about to get this car right now. I just got a call. He's like, let's get the car right now. So I was a little bit caught off guard. So I didn't really get a chance to prepare anything, like get my camera, any sort of thing like that. So just a little video. So it's gonna try and get it out. It's in the underground parking. So she's gonna finally go to get the motor put in. All right. Hopefully should be done in a little bit. So here it is, guys. Making progress. So right now there's no engine in here. Okay. Completely empty. All right. You can see the whole car is taken apart. There's nothing in there. I'll show you guys quick. See. Empty. Completely empty. No engine. I'm gonna go fix that today, hopefully. So give me a little bit, guys, because I'm actually here by myself, trying to get this car done. One of my friends is supposed to come by. Hopefully you can come give me a hand a little bit, and you know. But yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. Empty spot. All right. We got the Murano here, ready to pull. All right. Look how far I got her so far by myself. This car is still heavy as fuck without the engine in there. I tell you, she is heavy. She is heavy. Big old heavy gal. Big old heavy gal. She ready. All right, back to some more pushing.